Hello, welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. On the menu today we're going to be making a really easy and budget friendly frozen vegetable fried rice. You can add a few bits and pieces to it if you want, whatever you've got in the cupboard. This is pretty basic. I've got some eggs in there. It's absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. So I've got some cooked rice, like 3 or 4 cups of cooked rice. I'm using a basmati. When you're making any form of fried rice, make sure you use cold rice. Hot rice and warm rice do not work out so well, so make sure it's cold. Here I've got the frozen vegetables, like a mixed veg. I think we've got carrots, peas, some French beans. Might be a bit of corn in there maybe. Yeah, obviously you get different ones. What I've done with that, got it out, put it into some water, let it kind of, it's soft now, drained it off, there you go. 1 onion, ginger. Now I'm putting ginger in. If you've got ginger, fantastic. If you want, you can put garlic or garlic and ginger in. And then a tablespoon of your favorite curry powder. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add salt and pepper, and if you like, we can put some eggs in it as well. Okay, so I've got some oil in there, heating it up. I'm using a sunflower oil. I'm going to drop in my ginger, which I've cut into these kind of sticks like that. So what we're trying to do here is get some flavour into these vegetables, because the frozen vegetables, I mean, they're pretty tasteless, so we've got to pump some flavour into it. Garlic works, ginger and garlic works. I'm just going with ginger today. A few seconds in there. Then we're going to drop in the onion. We're on a high heat, see you in 2 minutes. Okay, a couple of minutes there. Let's drop in our tasteless, bland vegetables. And let's just fry them around again for another 2 minutes. Keep this moving. So there you go. It's pretty important to fry this like this to give it a bit of flavour, because like I say, pretty bland stuff we have there. Let's add some salt into the mix. Let's add some black pepper into the mix. And let's get our tablespoon of curry powder in there. Now we're going to stir this just for a few seconds, because what will happen to the curry powder, if you cook it too long, it will burn and it will become bitter. So a few seconds, little mix in there. Now we're going to add our rice, cold cooked rice. Now what's important is we need to fry the rice. Some people just put the rice in, mix it and serve it. You actually need to fry it. So if we burn or blacken or brown the rice, to me that tastes fantastic. So let's go for about 4 minutes now, moving it all the time. Okay, so can you hear that? That is the rice frying, that's where you want it to be. As you can see, I've pushed this to one side because I'm going to add some eggs. I've got 3 eggs here that I've beaten. I'm going to drop them in and cook it on the side of the pan there. Now if you wanted, you could be adding maybe a can of tuna or some other tin fish, some sardines or something in the mix that you might have in your pantry or your cupboard or your store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this egg right here. It can be about 2 minutes. Get it how you want. I like mine fairly well done. See you in a second. Okay, there you go. I'm happy with that rice, egg there for our rice. Let's get it mixed in. Let's go for 2 more minutes. Check that for seasoning. Might want to add a bit more salt and pepper, a bit of chili powder maybe, or a little bit of Tabasco, something like that if you wanted. Touch of soy sauce, whatever you have available in the kitchen. And that's it. I'll see you at the table. Okay, there you go. Super, super easy. Super cheap as well. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep safe and lots of love.